Hey all, welcome to channel Fresh Go. So this is Alicius, and today I'll be sharing with you guys a very healthy, yummy detox smoothie that I make on a weekly basis. So do enjoy. So the first main ingredient would be our cucumbers. What's truly wonderful about cucumbers is that they are 96% water. So they help us to flush toxins, rejuvenate the skin, and also aid in weight loss. So because cucumbers are so full of water, they'll have no problem making your body a healthier place. Besides getting rid of toxins, cucumbers have a distinct ability to battle kidney stones. So many studies have shown that people suffering from kidney stones get instant relief as they eat cucumbers. Cucumbers are rich in minerals that work towards betterment of the skin, and there are magnesium, potassium, as well as sodium, silicon. So when it comes to weight loss, the absolute best thing that cucumbers is that they contain almost no calories. So you can also combine them with other foods, as I did on my smoothie, to get excellent results from them. So the other ingredient would be celery. Celery is a very important antioxidant that protects our cells and blood vessels as well as our organs from oxidative damage. So it also helps us with reduction of inflammation, and it supports our digestion because it is high in water contents, which supports a healthy digestive tract. Celery is also very rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C. So green apples aid in weight loss because it is rich in fibers, and these fibers slower the digestive process, which means it will keep you fuller for longer, meaning you will be eating less. It improves vision because it is rich in vitamin C and A, as well as antioxidants, which is great for vision. It prevents asthma. Vitamins and the minerals strengthen our immune system, which makes you stronger in fighting allergies. Green apples also help us strengthen our joints. It cleans the liver. It's just a great benefit for the entire immune system as well as for your hair and skin. So the next ingredient will be kale. Kale lowers our cholesterol levels, which also reduces our chances of getting heart diseases. Kale contains bile acids, which can lower the cholesterol levels, leading to reduced heart diseases. Kale contains vitamin K, which helps in blood clotting, and is also a great cancer fighter. The next ingredient is ginger. Ginger helps us fight germs. It has chemical compounds that helps our body wards off germs. It also keeps our mouth fresh because it has antibacterial powers. Ginger is keeping our oral bacteria from growing. It also calms nausea because it breaks up and gets rid of any buildup of gases in our intestines. It also soothes sore muscles and lowers arthritis. Then we've got lemon, which lowers stroke risk, it lowers our blood pressure. It also helps with cancer prevention because it has antioxidants that prevent free radicals from forming and causing cell damage that leads to cancer. It is healthy for our complexion. It also increases our iron absorption. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.